You want free ice cream, but it's going past you. We're at some bike meet that happens like once a month. Show his face. Hey guys, I haven't been vlogging consistently because I've been staying over at Jay's place. So yesterday there was a little clip of the bike meet, which was really interesting. I thought it was gonna be like a motor show where like there's models and stuff, but I guess that's where they would hold it in like an actual convention center, which makes sense. But today I have work, which sucks. I was trying to get somebody to take my shift if they wanted more hours, but I'm working 5:30 to 10, which is not bad at all, but it's just I'm lazy. But yeah, so today probably just gonna wait for Jay to come back from his training, and then we're probably just gonna eat spaghetti or something, and then I have to head down to work, which sucks. But I noticed that with these nails, the UV gel nails, they're not growing as fast as my other nails. Maybe it's because I've been skipping my vitamins or something like that, but I want to see how long the diamonds last, and I'm not sure when I'll do my nails again because P-Mall is quite the mission to go to from where I live, unless I'm visiting Jay. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna finish up my makeup, and I've been obsessed with Sephora's unicorn dust. And what's nice is that even though there's like a little bit of fallouts here, it looks like I'm highlighting my face. I don't know if you guys can see the color, but it's like a nice pinky mauve base with green and yellow specks, which I really like. And then apparently Fenty has a new Kilowatt Duo, so I'm really excited for the Beach Please one, which is like a purple / orange. So I really want to try that out. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up this place before he comes because I think he's gonna be here in like 20 minutes or so. So today's errands day. I'm doing laundry. I'm gonna try a new system where I'm gonna use up my powder detergents, because when I was with Turks, he bought like a huge box of it. So I filled this up with a little bit of powder. But so derpy of me, I forgot the soap before going downstairs, so my clothes is down there. I don't think anything will happen to it. Just left it in a bag. But today, probably just gonna lay low and do errands. First up, laundry. Next, groceries. And then we'll see where the day takes off. Grocery shopping with Charlie. Oh yeah, my brother actually commented on my vlog saying you're a really good roommate.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he watches my vlog. So he was like, oh, Charlie's a good roommate. Like, yeah, I know. Or no, I wish. Maybe in the future. We'll see where it goes. Just trying to find the perfect bread.
Yo, they're all expired to May 8th.
Unless we put it in the fridge, and then like lasts a bit longer.
I know, but I like the
All these breads. So somehow I lost Charlie. I don't know how. But here are some Eggos that he wants. He's looking for. Oh, there he is. What'd you find? He doesn't see me. Oh, cereal. One of the perks of having a tall friend. Because we have to go on like tiptoe. I can't really reach. Let's see which flavor he chooses.
Okay, so I have smoked bacon mayo.
Yeah.
Or roasted garlic. But I feel like roasted garlic will make your breath stink, so I'm gonna take it.
Are you sure? I was kind of rooting for this one, but it's up to you.
Oh,
You're the
really?
one eating more of the mayo. Because I'm scared this might have an artificial bacon taste. That's the only thing.
Wish we could open it and like
Smell it?
it's okay.
There's chipotle mayo. I don't know. What do you want?
Let's try the roasted garlic. Let's do it.
Okay, yeah, let's make a breath stink.
Oh my god.
And then Eggos? Are you down for pan fry?
Alright, let's do it.
Usually I can't vlog when I'm grocery shopping because there's. Wait a second.
These are only $1.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. You leave your
I
chicken.
thought this is where I got my Japanese salad sauce, but I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. I'll show you at home, and I still have it. There's a lot of like different. Ooh, they have Nando sauce. Nando is like a famous chicken place. Nando's. We are about to explain to you guys what happened earlier. I didn't get to vlog it because we were in the moment.
So basically, I come home from work at 4 o'clock, and it was windy. It was like storming out. Like not
raining?
storming, but like it was very windy. People were like holding onto like the walls because it was like people were being pushed off to the road. It was insane. So I come home and she wanted to go grocery shopping. I was like, I don't know what's a good idea to go grocery shopping because it's very windy. And she's like, she didn't even acknowledge what I said. All she said was like, oh, okay, that's good. I'm like, okay.
Like on the phone or like text?
Like, no, in person.
Oh, in person.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, it's so windy outside. There's people holding poles and stuff. I'm like, oh, that's great. Look, I didn't even
So I
care.
go shower. I go to shower, and then on my phone it says severe thunderstorm may be coming, right? So I text Sophie. I'm like, hey, like there might be a severe thunderstorm. Are you sure you want to go grocery shopping? I'm just letting you know. And then she didn't even answer back. I'm in the shower because like she was out here cleaning.
Were you texting in the shower?
Yeah, I was in the washroom because
Oh.
I had my clothes on.
Oh.
So then I come back out. She's like, okay, we're gonna go. I'm like, okay, I guess we're gonna go.
You see my text?
I guess she didn't read my text.
Yep.
So she's like, should I bring this cart? I was like, yeah, I'll just bring it. So we go, and it was like okay. I think it was okay when we first.
It wasn't raining though.
No, it was just really bad
yeah.
wind.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was really bad wind.
Yeah.
And then we go to grocery shopping. You can explain this part now.
Okay, so we go grocery shopping, and
Is this
then
all your sadness?
no, I didn't write that much. So we go grocery shopping, all right, and then later, I guess we wanted McDonald's for dinner.
Yeah.
So then later, when we were ordering, I'm like, oh, Charlie, I want an ice cream cone. He's like, no, I don't think that's a good idea because it's windy outside. I'm like, no, like I really want an ice cream cone. I'm craving it. I'm on my period, by the way. So then later, we order ice cream cone McDoubles
Oh, okay.
a meal.
Wow.
So I'm eating it really fast because I don't want
At
like
McDonald's?
yeah
Oh.
the cone
Oh.
because I didn't want any dirt to go on it. So then later when we were stepping out, like a gust of wind like came
Yeah.
to us, and then all you see is like sprinkling on my cone a bunch of dirt.
Yo!
And I was like, no, my ice cream cone. And then later, I guess we're like hauling the groceries, and like the wind is hitting left and right, and we're using the cart. And then there are these 10 groups of like Filipino kids come by, and I'm like, oh, look at these cool kids. And then next thing you know, my cart flips over, and it's so windy.
With the food?
Yeah, with the food.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, Charlie, Charlie. And then he's trying to help
Holding
me.
poles.
Holding it, yeah. He's like trying to help me like pick it up. And then we're laughing our asses off.
But
And then
what
we
fell
get to
out of
the
the
light.
cart?
Nothing,
Oh,
luckily.
okay.
So then we were crossing the light. It flips over again, and then my strawberries were
How does
gonna
it flip
fall
over?
out.
Is that on like a wheel? thing?
Yeah, but the weight of the food
Oh.
on one side was making one wheel tilt. So then later my ice cream's dripping on my hand. I still have it on my hand because I was hoping to scoop out the ice cream for later.
Literally, I saw Soph in front of me. She was literally flying. She was just like,
Yeah.
and then her car was going like this, like flying.
Yeah, I was like trying to stop the wind. I'm like, oh my
And
god.
I'm like catching her car because like it's about to like fall and all the groceries. are-
God,
Like, this
I
was
didn't
in
know
the
it was that windy.
intersection.
And it's trying,
And
yeah,
there's
while we're
traffic
crossing.
coming.
Oh my
Like there's
God.
cars like waiting because we're just like. And I'm so worried about my ice cream. I was like holding on to my ice cream, and he's holding on to my groceries. And we're laughing our heads off.
Oh my god.
Yes. So that was the story.
She was more worried about the
The ice cream.
The
Did you see
The
the
ice
ice
cream.
cream though?
No, I threw it out. It
Oh,
melted
that's
all over
rough,
my
though.
hand.
You should just finish that McDonald's.
It was so nasty.
It was gross. It was like all over my hand. It was nasty.
Imagine
Type it in, yeah, and then
find a song, press, and when it's highlighted, you
Yeah.
can just press this play button over here.
Right.
And then your song will be queued up on your playlist over here.
Okay.
So if you want to go to the next song, either you press here or slide this way and then press stop, and you just keep the next on your list.
Sounds
Great,
Thank
sounds
you
good.
so
much.
Thank
And
you.
if you guys need any help, service space right over here.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go. Let's go. Start it off.
Nigga.
He's singing Korean. Do you know what that means, Sam? Nega.
Nega.
I.
Oh, for it to call it to
Okay, so I
spit.
guess we go this way. These
Doesn't
two
matter.
lovebirds are gonna
Doesn't
sing
matter,
to
you
each
gotta
other
sing
after.
first, I want to see what song they have.
This is a very random moment. I just asked these two to come out and they agreed. So. Oh my god. Okay, choose a song. Let's get it going.
Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I keep it satisfied. Through the weekend. I'm with the 演出世界，我该变成什么样子才能延缓厌倦？也能当爱放射风背后的全新大学。
Tropical. At Foamy with the family here. It's Diego, Knife Day, Alex. I don't know why he calls himself that. David, Sasha, sister. Gonna go shopping at Von Mills. But see, the one thing that I don't like about the spring rolls is that it comes with this peanut sauce, whereas I prefer that sauce. So Diego, can you spare me some sauce? I think he's just doing it because he's on the vlog. It's okay.
Why would you do that?
It's okay, no, I asked him for it. Don't worry. This is when the shopping starts. You're gonna be stuck with these two for a while. Sasha, can you show them what you got? Ooh. Look at her outfit. She has like a freaking suede jacket on and her boots. Let's see. There you go. Her boots. Thanks, Sasha. There you go. I'm watching these two shop. This is how they shop. While my sister is busy over there, I'm babysitting these two squirts.
Look, come here, guys.
What?
Has water in it.
Oh, there is. It's a high pressure. At the Nordstrom rack, and there's a lot of cute little knickknacks here, and he's keeping me company. Look at these bottle openers. But I'm getting intrigued by like little things over here. Oh, we actually have that at the store. Pedestal thingy. So cool. There you go.
So I got this called an Astro Pop, and I got some Airhead, 2-in-1 big bar, and it's watermelon and strawberry.
How is it?
Very good.
Are you gonna brush your teeth tonight? Okay, that's gross. So apparently these shoes here, the Mini Melissa, smells like strawberries. But I'm telling my sister how in a couple months it's gonna smell like toes.
Here, let me smell it. Let me smell it.
Here, so I'll smell it. It smells like my son Diego. Oh, I sniffed it.
Hi. Can I please get a scoop of the speculoos cookie butter? In a cone, please. Wow, that's spicy squid. Chicken wings and fried rice.
Yeah, you're right.
Little one, sister, brother-in-law, and
White chai, one, and squid. No, that's wrong.
today we're going to Kensington Market to check out this new Japanese convenience store. I forgot what it's called, but I'll write it down below. And then I have a meeting later. So we're going with these two right here. He's leading the way since he usually knows where things are, and I'm playing Pokemon Go. It's my life. And it's nice because you see a bunch of like random cherry blossom trees. Like that one right there. It's like spread out throughout the city.
Two Mario theme song, right?
At some vintage gift shop, game shop. Ooh, the Funko Pops.
Oh, look at this guy.
Let's go. I don't even know if I'm able to vlog here. So cute. And all these hats. I love how your dog goes. There's a game section over there where people play games. That's a cute shirt right there.
Our top day.
Huh?
But
This is like a new game store. There's like a bunch of stuff. So cool. Look, they have like new stores now. Made it. I made it. So cute. We have to go in this one. We have to go to Ding Dong. Oh look, matcha. Great. Well, this is probably how it is in Japan too, you know.
yeah.
Hey. Don't enjoy it. Yeah. I'm just glad. So cute. Oh, look at this.
You wrong.
Twerk. Oh my god, look at that.
This thing to decorate for your room.
Thing in decorator? Oh, they have. You prep it in a little mug. What's that? Cookies and cream? Is that your favorite?
No,
No, that's Alex's. That's some random cafe. This guy's staring at other people. Are you getting something?
no, I just
Take a picture?
Ice matcha tea.
Trying this out for the first time. Shrimp.
How do you eat this one?
Just fold it and eat it. Or maybe you cut it. Like pizza slices. So we're finally at the matcha place and we're gonna try it out. Look at the cup.
I'm going to go to the cafe, but I was wanting to come over
Try
after and
it.
hang out unless you're
Oh my
busy.
god, look at the cup. It's so fancy.
Oh, okay.
Look, I'll keep it.
It's okay. So if I go there and say your name, do I get like a... Or just try? It just looks good for you. The harbor. What about you? Tea?
Sa. The cheese actually tastes really good. It's like you're eating
Oh, okay.
cheesecake.
What time are you going tomorrow?
Oh, it's like tiramisu.
You'll be in the area?
It's good though.
How much is yours?
Okay. What time?
6.
What time will you be there tomorrow?
I want to keep this cup. It's so cute.
Okay. I might be there.
I highly recommend, guys.
See you.
No, I just said, no.